back with some human hair from a wig company this summer that has gotten me all the way together. Some of my most favorite human hair wigs have come from them, and that's Reshine Hair, okay? I just filmed another unit by them. I'm not sure the order that I'm uploading these, but it's a copper glueless throw on and go that I absolutely love. But y'all, I have reviewed a wig with that construction in every pattern and color you can think of. That's how much I absolutely love Reshine Hair. So I know that I will like this one too. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to it, all the details on the wig, all that good jazz. All right, all I did was take this out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. This is the one that I've been looking forward to all day because of the color. Let me get to it. Not only did they send the wig though, they sent a care card, some thin stocking caps, and some eyelashes as well. All right, so this wig, y'all, of course you know the construction. Like I said, I keep doing the same one when it comes to Reshine. This glueless, nothing to cut off, just perfect wig. But it's the color. Okay, so this wig, let me stop. Okay, this wig is 24 inches long and it is straight. The color is what we are excited about though, y'all. So just like with my other Reshine units, this unit, okay, this unit is the construction is air wig to where you don't have to cut anything off. Okay, just tint that lace to your skin tone and you can go. So okay, and it has the band sewn in that makes this wig lay so flat to my head. Like, this is the one I've been waiting for though, y'all, because I know the wig is bomb. I know the hair quality is bomb. I know that it's pre-plucked. I know they did all that stuff for me, but this color is absolutely gorgeous and it is straight. I have reviewed this exact wig in a 1B or a 1 by them a while back. So I absolutely love this wig and I know that I'm going to love this one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna run a flat iron through it. Y'all, it won't take me very long at all. And we'll come back with my final thoughts. I'm also gonna go in so y'all can see what this looks like straight out of the pack without me doing anything to it. Okay, be right back. Y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts, and again, at this point, y'all like, girl, we know you gonna like it. Y'all, I'm in love with this wig. The color is beautiful. Of course, the construction and ease of this wig make it gorgeous. Y'all, look at that. Look, straight off the head. Look. This is just everything that you could want in a wig and more. Y'all, I'm thinking about doing something real foolish, and I need y'all to tell me not to. Like I said, I'm getting ready to go to vacation. Well, not getting ready. In October, I'm going on vacation, and I need some hair. I know that straight hair is not the way to go. Not a straight hair wig. But this is just so pretty, y'all. I haphazardly ran my flat iron through it, and this is what we got. Absolutely gorgeous. How many inches did I say this was? This is 24 inches long, and they are giving with this 24 inches because it goes down to my belly button. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. I love the density on it. The color on it is nice. Everything about this wig is just bomb.com. So I definitely recommend that you pick this one up from Reshine Hair. Boo. Okay, like I said, if you want it in a short black bob, they have that. If you want it in a red big afro, they have that. Anything that you could, any hair combination that you can want, Reshine Hair makes it in. And this one is no different. This one is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Look at that description box. You see a direct link to it. Until next time, which will be very, very soon. Bye, y'all.